If your junk drawer has 3 bad screwdrivers and none solve the job, here's the best multi-bit screwdriver setup, 5 drivers for different homes. Quick answer. Megapro 13in1 is the default, Channellock is the deal twin, Automotive is for custom bits, Klein is the budget bruiser, and Precision handles tiny screws. No driver nails every job. Choose for comfort, bits, storage, and reach. For most homes, I'd start with the Megapro 13in1 Ratcheting Driver 211 or 2C36RD. Buy it if you want one screwdriver for furniture, hinges, fixtures, appliance panels, and normal house fixes. The grip is comfortable, the bits live inside the handle, and the ratchet feels useful without making the tool feel overbuilt. That's the sweet spot. The catch is the bit system. Its double-ended bits aren't the cheap 1-inch bits you may already own. Skip it if you lose bits often, need lots of specialty tips, or want tiny ratchet movements. If the Megapro idea sounds right, but the price doesn't, look at the Channellock 131CB 13in1 Multi-Bit Ratcheting Screwdriver. It's the same basic concept, a ratcheting handle, onboard bits, and a layout that makes sense for ordinary home repairs. Buy whichever version is cheaper or easier to get when you're shopping. Pretty simple. The trade-off is that its value lives in the deal, not a different feature set. It also has the same double-ended bit annoyance. Skip it if Megapro costs less, arrives sooner, or replacement support matters to you. For garages and tool bags, the Megapro 211 R1C36RD Ratcheting Automotive Screwdriver makes more sense. It keeps the general Megapro feel, but it uses standard 1-inch bits, so replacements and swaps are easier. Buy it if you already own bits, want to tune the kit for odd fasteners, or do more car and gear work than cabinet tweaking. The catch is value. Its included bits aren't as useful for typical home jobs, and you're usually paying more for flexibility. Skip it if you just need one house screwdriver. For the budget slot, I'd buy the Klein Tools 3230515in1 Multi-Bit Ratcheting Screwdriver. It's for someone who wants a tougher-feeling ratcheting driver, a wide bit mix, and solid onboard storage without paying top-pick money. It feels more tool truck than tidy drawer. The trade-offs are comfort and fuss. The handle is chunkier, the direction switch can be slick to grab, and one extra bit has to stay in the tip because storage doesn't hold everything. Skip it if hand feel and clean bit organization matter more than savings. When tiny screws show up, Megapro's 24in1 Precision Driver makes sense beside your main household screwdriver. It's for eyeglasses, laptops, drones, small devices, and delicate fasteners that need a lighter touch. You'll like it for occasional precision jobs, because one compact handle replaces a pile of tiny drivers. That saves drawer space while keeping many small bits close. The catch is reach and speed. It doesn't ratchet, and its bit-holding shaft is wider than a dedicated slim precision stem. Skip it if narrow, deeply recessed screws are routine. Long shaft individual precision drivers fit those spots better. Quick split. Most homes, Megapro 13in1. Same tool idea at a better deal, Channellock 131CB. Custom standard bits, Megapro Automotive. Lowest sensible spend, Klein Tools 32305. Tiny screws and small devices, Megapro 24in1 Precision. Before you buy, check the screws you actually touch. Standard bits are easier to replace. In-handle storage reduces clutter. A ratchet helps repetitive jobs, but reach matters more for recessed screws. If you're unsure, start with the Megapro 13in1. Go Channellock if it's the better deal, Automotive if standard bits matter, Klein if budget wins, and Precision if tiny screws are the problem. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.